We Talk Football SA at Mamelodi Sundowns headquarters in Clorkop. I'm with my brother here, Thabo Siruka. Bhuti,
Yebo bhuti.
sihlangene la ngendaba ebuhlungu man, indaba kaJayden Adams.
Yeah. Mina yazi mangibona lento bengithi ijoke.
Yeah.
Bengithi hayi lento zalabantu kuma social media basukela abantu. Kanti iqiniso. Yabo? So into eyenza ukuthi ibe so unbelievable is because of where this boy was in his prime.
Yeah.
Because bengakasiniki lutho lo mfana lo. Khana bekathi uzosinikeza something.
Yeah.
And I think even impilo bekayiphila. Was a good enough and a comfortable life.
Yes.
But unbeknownst to us as human beings, ikhona ezinye izinto bhuti esingazazi.
Yeah.
Which is unexplainable.
Iqiniso.
Eziphila nomuntu makavuka ekseni amakalala ebusuku.
Yeah.
So mawuzowuza ukuthi uhambe kanjani emhlabeni, uzibuza imibuzo eminingi.
Yeah.
Kodwa ngoba mawuphila la emhlabeni ubuye understand ukuthi mara if inhlungu lo muntu beyizwa lo muntu beyi ngendlela ukuthi wagcina abona ukuthi akasakhona ukuya phambili ngempilo, kulamela ukhona ubone khona ukuthi wena mawuthi uneyinkinga ukufika kuphi. But okukhulu ukuthi inhliziyo zethu zibuhlungu ngoba thina sizithandela ibhola. Yebo amaqembu sifika amaqembu angafani, kodwa mawuthi umbukela lo mfana mfowethu uzwe ngathi umamela umculo ngoba into bekakunikeza yona ground bekakunika ushukela omnandi, yabona, kube ngathi udla iMcFlurry if uyayazi. You understand about? But at the same time decide ukuthi manje ufuna ukushiya ashiye sinama question esingazi ukuthi sowaphendula sithini ngoba besimthanda lo mfana lo kakhulu. Akusho ukuthi phela uma supporting i-team wena bhuti awumthanda omunye umdlali owelinye iqembu, akusho njalo. But ke kwenzekile lokho kwenzekile, mara mina inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu kakhulu. Angifuni bisho ukuthi mina azangifuni ukwazi ukuthi why ayenze lento ayenzile, bathi kwashaka cima ubani wenze njani. Inhliziyo yami nje ibuhlungu ukuthi ushile lo mfana lo kuphela. Namanje angakakholwa and mangibona izolo bayenza memorial kusho ukuthi khona ngiyanga understand ukuthi lo muntu kaMampela ayenzekile kaMampela. And neyinhlungu nathi siphila nazo each and every day. So uyazibuza ukuthi thina lenhlungu lezi sinazo thina kumele siphile ngazo. Kodwa umuntu uphila la eMamelodi Sundowns angakhona ukuzibekezela siwenze njani. Uyayibona lento leyo bhuti, yinto manje igrief engisele nayo mina ngokuya kwami. I don't know ukuthi okay mangibheka lento so la amanye amaplayer bewaphila naye bathi bona kwenzakaleni. Umbuzo
omkhulu.
And umfana beka right umbona umbhekile ukuthi this was a sweet boy. Bekazithulela azidlalela ibhola and athola opportunity wayisebenzisa ngoba amanye amaplayer bhuti ama-opportunity afana nalapha akwazi ukusebenzisa and abanye abawatholi.
Futhi yabona mangabe kubuhlungu kithi singama-supporter ngiyakwazi uyibhakaniya emndenini kufanele kube kungaphezulu kakhulu, emndenini nabantu akade sebenza nabo Mamelodi Sundowns nakuStellenbosch.
Mfethu kusho ukuthi nabantu abamkhulisile mfethu.
Kunzima bhuti.
Nomuntu bekaphila na every day. You understand? Asiyekele ukuthi uyi-soccer player. Nabo bhuti laba bebamcoacha la. Nama-colleagues wakhe. Nabantu nje labo bamazi ukuthi uze-jolly person. Izolo abantu bakhulumile bakhuluma umlomo wagcwala. Basho bathi umuntu bekumuntu okahle, alright. Angena inkinga, angenathela, angenalutho. Umbona mara vele. Yabona. Kune-incident wayenza njengoba bekadlala neKaizer Chiefs. Lapha bubona nje ukuthi bekalwela i-team yakhe. And ephelelela langa bubona ukuthi la match basibukela i-master class mfethu.
Kwakunzima.
La langa sasibukela i-master class. I don't care ukuthi bo-favor ini ngalela la mara le game asibukele sonke.
Master class.
It was a master class that game. Because uNdlovu naye bekayenza into zakhe naye uJayden wathi angizokujoyina ba leyo uyenza nami ngizokwazi ukuyenza. So it was a 50-50 whereby after that game I was like, wow, what is a football. Even you support Orlando Pirates, benefita thina mara that game was a beautiful game. Unbeknownst to us, it is one of his last performances for us. Sorry.
Ngikhumbula FNB ngathi mina mangikhuluma lapha kuma Friends Wethu TV ngathi umuntu odla iPirates uJayden Adams liya game wayibona kanjalo futhi
lapha yana angihleli noSherman ekhoneni amagoli wonke mawangena sasibabona ngophihile live kanje uJayden Adams umsebenzi wakhe kusho ukuthi icoach yakhe lento yamtshelana ukuthi uma ufika lapha ufike uyenze wayenza ngendlela bekufanele uyenze wasistabilize midfield yethu wabona ukuthi amajita akusakhonakala nokuthi sikwazi ukucabanga nalento besithi siyayiplana soyenza azange sisakhona ukuyenza samele sichange iplan because once uPirates phela ungayiphazamisa la esiswini
kumele ngoba la idlala khona wafika wayiqaqa uJayden Adams
yonke lento so mfethu hayi angazi kumele sisale emhlabeni siqhubeke ilegacy yakhe abantu bekadlala nabo ibhola baqhubeke nayo baphakamise iflag yakhe Sundowns we know it's a brilliant big institution with brilliant individuals and players and management and staff so they'll carry on just nje ngithi kubo condolences to the Adams family, condolences to the Mamelodi Sundowns family as a whole, supporters and everybody obekamthanda lo mfana lo. Mina ngithi alihlanga lungahlanga. Nathi sizilelana mfowethu sibuya kuhle. Kuhlungu sithi siduduza abafowethu la. Ibhola vele masizodlala nabo ngeke kube abangani bethu mara namhlanje siyasondela kubo siyanika uthando lelo sinalo njengabantu ukuthi baduduzeke abafowethu bangacabanga isikhathi nokucabanga ukuthi we don't care but we do care.
No. But ngiyabonga isikhathi sakho. We Talk Football SA.